Oh, it's recording. Whoa. 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 Oh.
Skip classic of Chick-fil-A?
No, I would never.
What's up with that?
I would never. Look, your errands thrown, so now I gotta go ship off. So.
Perfect.
I want to be ripping the triumphs, man. Yeah, I know. Everyone thought it was this week. Nothing got audio too? Oh, it's got audio. It's got
The ocean needs the moon to take the tides away. All we need is a little time to chase the blues away. Sun is out and it feels like it's always gonna stay. Let this last forever, turn tomorrow into yesterday. Now all those girls have nothing left to do after.
Are you being hired to videotape this?
Like the ocean needs the moon to take the tides away. All we need is a little time to chase the blues.
Just this week.
I got so distracted.
Oh, is it gonna die? No, it's not. This is freaking crap.
Turn tomorrow into yesterday.
Yeah.
Like the ocean needs the moon to take the tides away. All we need's a little time to chase the blues away. Sun is out and it feels like it's always gonna stay. Let this last forever, turn tomorrow into yesterday.
So old school. I love it.
I know, right?
Picking up this thing so you can see.
Wow! Wow!
That shows you how great the stabilization is on this. They're good.
That's so beautiful.